Hi. Hello. I told you I'd come back. Hi, sweetie. Yeah, such a good girl. Good morning. I hope all is well in your world. This weekend, I have a weekend to myself. Well, Zali and I have a weekend to ourselves, and I just want to relax and have a very quiet weekend, embracing the early autumn season that has arrived. Here in the Southern Hemisphere, we tend not to have a particularly obvious autumn. It can sort of pass you by because we don't have a lot of the autumn colours. It just tends to be green a lot more of the year. So it is definitely a matter of hunting out those signs of autumn and just doing little things that conjure those feelings and bringing those feelings into your own home intentionally. I've got a few ideas up my sleeve. I'm going to make a pumpkin why can't I say this? Pumpkin spice slice, and I've actually got a pumpkin that my mum gifted me from her garden, so I'm going to use that, and I'm going to set aside a little bit to also make a homemade pumpkin face mask, which I've never done before. I also collected some leaves on my walk this morning, and I'm going to use those to just make some DIY, low cost, actually free decorations just to bring some autumn into the home. So I'm going to finish my beautiful spice chai tea and then I'm going to get started. Okay, just quickly, I bought Zali her first little jacket and I hope she likes it. She might hate it, but can we just appreciate this? Zali, yes, this is for you. Moment of truth. Yes, yes, it is for you. Okay, don't eat it. Please wait. Wow, that's a jacket. I'm gonna get this burning to set the mood for the morning. Here is my beautiful pumpkin from Mum's garden. I'm gonna start prepping it up now for the slice.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
Lighting that candle actually just got me thinking. I used to hang on to all my candles. I used to collect them in the cupboard. I loved them, but I was always saving them for the perfect opportunity to use them. They remind me of when I was younger and I used to do the same thing with stickers. I loved stickers, the ones with glitter and sparkles, beautiful butterflies and horses, and I thought they were too good to use. I needed the perfect opportunity to use them. So I had this box that I would put them all inside and keep them away in my special box, but not be using them until, years pass, and then one day you realize you're not really interested in that anymore, and the opportunity to use them and enjoy them has kind of passed. And so I think about how it's the same situation with my candles now. I could have a big collection of beautiful candles sitting in my cupboard waiting for the perfect opportunity to use them. But the same thing is going to happen, and I'm never going to end up using them. So I guess what I'm saying is, don't wait for a day that will never come. Every day is the best day to do something joyful, to do something that makes you smile. Use the stickers, burn the candles, whatever it is, just enjoy it. Being alive is the special occasion. While the pumpkin bakes, I'm going to make my autumn leaf decorations, which really is simple as cutting a piece of string and tying the leaves on however I want them spaced. Oh, hello. Sally, sit. Good girl. You love pumpkin. Sal, you always do this. This is really tasty. I think I might have put more pumpkin than what it actually called for in the recipe. Stop. Yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'll definitely have to share this around. I won't be able to eat that whole slice. Someone else loves the autumn leaves too. Spindlewood, spindlewood, will you lend me, pray, a little flaming lantern to guide me on my way? The fairies all have vanished from the meadow and the glen, and I would fain go seeking till I find them once again. Lend me now a lantern that I may bear a light, to find the hidden pathway in the darkness of the night. I want to be a little bit more fairy elf-like, so I'm just adding a little bit of sparkle think we can all use a little bit more sparkle in our life. About the taste. I don't drink coffee, it just doesn't agree with my nervous system, so I'm grateful for tea. I love you so much. Hey. Trying to do my face mask, but Sally thinks that it's food. No! I'm putting this on my face. Yeah? Is that alright? We're just going to try that out, and then you can have a treaty after, okay? I don't think she's agreeing, but we're going to find a way to make this work. Nose ups. This could be a disaster. Maybe wear like a paint smock